This picture, is this you?
That picture is me.
And your name is?
Chantal. Anicoche.
Okay, okay, we're here. Anong pangalan mo? What's your name?
Chantal.
Chantal, what's your surname?
Surname?
What's your full name?
Chantal Anicoche.
Okay, you just calm down. We were going to help you, okay? Okay, okay. Tulungan niyo, tulungan niyo. Okay, you cooperate with us. Careful, careful. You go with them. Uy, mag-ready ka ng pagkain dyan. You just wear that. Kainin. You eat first. Chantal, you eat. Yung isang squad mag-scour. Mag-scour ng isang squad. Baka may mga, ano pa daw dyan, may mga baril-baril or kung ano man.
Dito naman mo doon, dito lang banda.
Ah.
Dito lang banda. Umakit ko na. Doon, mapan ko na doon. Doon banda, pinuntahan mo na doon.
Ba't ka napunta dito, Chantal? Why did you come here? He's a what? Fling?
Fling.
Why did he take you here? In Mindoro? What's his purpose? Huh? His family? If you don't trust him, then why did you come with him?
I thought I could trust him, but he didn't treat me like an animal.
You tell us the truth. We're trying to help you, so you better tell us the truth, okay? Why did you come here?
I'm embarrassed.
Why? What are you embarrassed about?
Staying here for a boy. When I should have been with my family.
Okay, it's okay, it's okay. You eat first, you eat. So, you came here December 27, ever since you were here na. So,
And then,
when did you go here?
January 31st,
December 31st?
when I ran away.
December 31st? You ran away from him?
No, January 1st. Because it was the morning. And we got into a fight. And so I thought I could just walk away. But I got lost. I got lost here.
Do you have cell phone in you?
Ito, lagayan niya siya, nakuha niya. Sama na po iba. Ito sa kanya, tumutas niya.
You have your cell phone with you?
Picture.
I-check nyo daw.
Wala doon. Lagayan niya. Do you have the cellphone?
Okay. So this is Chantal Anicoche. Is this you, Chantal, in the picture?
Yeah. What is that picture?
Is this you in the picture? Pakita mo yung picture, pakita mo.
What's that picture about?
On the picture, is that you in the picture? Chantal Anicoche?
But I don't know what that is.
We're just trying to your identity, if that's much on the picture.
Theodora?
You want rice? We have rice here. Rice. Yes.
Tigyan niyo.
Kanin, kanin.
Marunong niya matagay. Yung bilatan niya. Yung bilatan niya tapos isang kanin. Sabag ko, Noy. Kunin mo, Noy. Meron din ako, Noy. Tapak ko, Noy. Ayan, o.
Kanin, kanin. You want rice? We have rice here. Rice. Yes.
Tigyan niyo.
Kanin, kanin.
Marunong niya matagay. Yung bilatan niya. Yung bilatan niya tapos isang kanin. Sabag ko, Noy. Kunin mo, Noy. Meron din ako, Noy. Tapak ko, Noy. Ayan, o.
Kanin, kanin. May tao, may tao.
Thank you for watching. Stay curious, stay informed.